In primetime news this evening, government to make decision as calls grow louder for face-to-face classes.
Healing process. CXC promises to start following contentious few weeks with stakeholders.
And RJ Glena chairman seeks to clear the air over his endorsement of Mark Golding. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. We also have sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your views on the endorsement of the enforcement of tighter curfews over holiday periods?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.